Hi there, our team consists of DANISH, AZRUL, JASHVINDER and Liang, and we're going to talk about the use of Agent VX on King Jong Nam's case. In the Kim Jong Nam murder case, he was murdered by Agent VX via the synthesis from two precursors on his face. The murder took place in a crowd at KLIA, where the first suspect wiped off the first precursor, which is the ethyl methylphosphonic acid, followed by the second suspect wiping off the second precursor, which is the 2-diisopropylaminoethylthiol. Both precursors quickly reacted and synthesized Agent VX that was absorbed into his skin and then went to systemic circulation, which caused his death 20 minutes later. Agent VX is a type of nerve agent which is a lethal chemical that affects the transmission of nerve impulses. Whenever our motor neurons detect a stimuli, the neuron will transmit a type of neurotransmitter called acetylcholine across the synaptic cleft to contract muscle cells. Acetylcholinesterase is responsible for breaking down acetylcholine into acetic acid and choline so that the muscle cells will not experience fatigue. However, upon exposure, Agent VX will inhibit acetylcholinesterase activity in the synaptic cleft. This causes the synaptic cleft to be saturated with acetylcholine. When the receptors on the muscle cells are constantly stimulated, they will begin to spasm uncontrollably and experience fatigue. This will cause symptoms such as seizures, fainting, and cardiac arrest. The extent and intensity of the symptoms vary from patient to patient, depending on the dose of Agent VX administered, the route and site of administration, period of exposure, and the patient's existing health conditions. In general, the effects of Agent VX will occur within seconds of exposure and may last for hours. To reverse the effects, anticholinergic atropine and pralidoxime chloride can be useful if treated immediately. These drugs compete with the excess acetylcholine for a common binding site on the muscarinic receptor. Recent study also reveals that human plasma-derived butyrylcholinesterase can be used to treat the toxic effects in vivo. It also helps in recovery and protection against decreased cognitive function after the exposure. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.